Hello everyone, this is Carla de la Rosa-King, immigration attorney, and today I want to talk to you briefly about what to do if your I-94 form or arrival and departure record has a mistake on it. What to do in this situation. When you enter the United States, you are inspected by a Customs and Borders Protection agent, a CBP agent. When the CBP agent inspects you and decides to admit you to the United States, he or she is going to do a couple of things. First, he or she is going to take your passport and they are going to stamp your passport. This stamp should include your date of admission, the class of admission. The class of admission could be a B2 visa, H1B, L1, etc. And the expiration date, which is the date until when you are authorized to stay in the United States. This date is extremely important as you need to leave the United States before the expiration date, before that date. If you wish to remain in the United States past that date, then you're going to have to file a change of status or a request to extend your stay. Now, the second thing that the CBP agent is going to do is they're going to enter your information in their automated system. CBP has an automated system that will create an electronically generated arrival and departure record, which will include your name, the date of admission, the expiration date, the class of admission, your country of citizenship, etc. And this information, you should be able to find it online. Now, when you are when you are talking with the CBP agent and he or she gives you back the passport, it's very important that you check your passport, look at the stamp, make sure that the information in there is correct. Because if you see a mistake, since you are at the port of entry with the CBP agent, then it will be easier just to fix the mistake right there. Now, if you discover a mistake, let's say a few weeks later, a few days later, then for you to fix this mistake, you are going to have to go to the agency that made the mistake. So you need to know what agency made the mistake. So if the agency who made the mistake was CBP, then you're going to have to go to a local CBP deferred inspection office to have this mistake fixed. If the mistake was made by USCIS, because you file a request for an extension or a change of status, and USCIS issue an approval with an I-94 that has a mistake on it, then you are going to have to approach USCIS. However, when the mistake is made by USCIS, it's a little bit more complicated because you cannot just show up at USCIS for them to correct the mistake. If the mistake is made by USCIS, most likely you're going to have to file Form I-102, which is the form to replace the I-94. If you discover the mistake after the period of admission ends, then it is important that you talk to an immigration attorney, because your immigration attorney will help you to determine if, given your particular situation, if it's worth to try and fix the mistake while you're in the United States, or if it's better for you just to leave and go back to your home country. One thing to keep in mind is that if, for example, when you enter the United States and the officer, a CBP agent, stamped your passport and he or she didn't put all the information on the passport, for example, they didn't put the expiration date or until when you are authorized to stay in the United States, then you still can get this information online. You can Google I-94 online, and you'll be able to find the CBP website where you can get this information from. So again, it's very important that you always, when you obtain an I-94, it's very important that you check that you were admitted under the correct category and that you know when your authorized stay ends. So this is very important for you to always know whenever you enter the United States or whenever you extend your stay or change the status to a different category. So if you have any questions about this or any other immigration related matter, please feel free to give me a call at 773-366-1214 and schedule a consultation with me. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.